guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing with you guys what I eat in a day. I felt like today was a perfect day to show you guys what I eat because it is the Monday after the holidays. It's December 28th, so we're kind of back on the grind this week after eating horribly for the holidays. Not horribly, but you know, just eating a lot of fatty foods, lots of cheese, lots of bread, all that stuff. So we went grocery shopping yesterday. We stocked up the fridge with fruits, veggies, just healthy food. So I want to show you guys what I eat in a day when I am striving to be healthy, because you know, we all have our days. Today is one of those days where I'm deciding I'm going to be eating healthy. So I wanted to share that with you guys. It's currently 10:20 and I usually don't have breakfast until 12 to 1 o'clock because I do intermittent fasting. So I'll break my fast at 12 or 1, just kind of depending how my day goes. So in the mornings, all I have is my coffee. Technically, I broke my fast with the coffee because it has milk in it, but because usually when you intermittent fast, you can only have black coffee, no sugar, no milk, no dairy, but I can't do that. So all I do in the mornings is have a cup of coffee with my creamer, my milk, no sugar. And then I break my fast at 12. Honestly, guys, for lack of better words, doing this really helps with your digestive system. Like literally after I have my cup of coffee, it's like just go time. So I do intermittent fasting every day that I don't work out. So I usually like to work out 3 times a week. So today's Monday. I'm not working out today because I usually focus like on my job because we have a ton of to-dos on Mondays and stuff. So don't work out Mondays, work out Tuesday, so I won't intermittent fast tomorrow. And then Wednesday I don't work out, so I intermittent fast. So basically, I intermittent fast Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturdays is when I work out. So that's kind of just like the background to my schedule. But I'm just gonna go ahead and work, and I'll see you guys when I have some breakfast. Breakfast time, and I'm preparing some breakfast tacos. I just have some flour tortillas warming up here, and then in here I put some orange pepper, some spicy Mexican sausage, and some onions. I just have this kind of sauteing here because I'm going to use this into my tacos. But yeah, I'm definitely having kind of like a heavy breakfast because it's 2 o'clock and I'm just now breaking my fast because I had a really busy morning at work. So I like completely lost track of time. So this is how I'm breaking my fast. So I want something that's a little bit more filling than usual. If I had broken my fast around 12 like I usually do, then I probably would have just had oatmeal. But since I haven't eaten, this is kind of like my breakfast and my lunch, so I'm kind of just going ham. Start assembling my tacos. I already put black beans on there, which I should have done last because I should have done the eggs first. But I'm gonna put the eggs on top of the black beans. I'm having 2 because I'm starving, so that goes there. But yeah, and then on top of the egg, I'm gonna put everything that I sauteed together. The onion, the pepper, the sausage, all of that. This is gonna be a little messy, but it's all right. Lastly, on top of this, I'm just gonna put some salsa. This is just some thick, chunky salsa from Trader Joe's that I like to put on top of the little tacos, just kind of as a flavor. Or if you want, you can put like a hot sauce like sriracha or something that adds more flavor to it. And lastly, I'm just going to garnish it with some cilantro. This also adds a nice little freshness to it. And voila, here are my breakfast tacos. They look so good, so flavorful and so filling, which is exactly what I need. I'm also just gonna do a fruit salad as a side because I need like a little side snack. Just gonna do some pineapple, some melons, some watermelons, just, you know, a little side snack. I love doing breakfast tacos. I also forgot to mention that I use these tumblers that I got from Amazon for when I'm home to kind of keep track of my water intake. So I probably have a couple of these a day, but these are very handy. Yeah, I'm just gonna dig in and enjoy. These are definitely like loaded breakfast tacos. And like I mentioned, I have a pretty hefty breakfast on days that I fast because obviously I go 16 hours without eating, so I'm starving. This is so delicious, guys. I love food. I love taking time to make my breakfast, to enjoy it. Especially on days when I'm like super busy, because this is kind of my way to unwind. I put on like a video to kind of take a break from work. And it just helps when you have like a really good, delicious meal to enjoy. Alright, so this is my breakfast. It's 2:26, so I'll see you guys when I have my snack and then when I have dinner. So I'm gonna make a smoothie to have while I prep dinner and kind of unwind for the rest of the night. There's this one smoothie that I've been loving, which is, it is a green smoothie, but it also has a lot of like sweet fruits in it, like pineapple and mango and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys, it's really good. So I'm gonna have that, and then I'm gonna get started on prepping dinner. Today is like the perfect day for me to film this, honey, because Eric is going to be making a red salsa. I've been on this kick where he makes salsa. He's made a green salsa and only a green salsa, right? You've made 2 green salsas?
No, I made a green and I made a red.
You made a green and a red. Now he's making another red salsa tonight, which we're gonna have for dinner. I don't know if I'm having any, but it's gonna be ready tonight for him to have for dinner. But this is amazing. What are these peppers here?
These are chile de árbol.
Chile de árbol, tomatoes, jalapeno, garlic, and onion. I'm gonna make it started on my juice. Okay, so here's what we're working with. I have cucumber and mango in here. Now I'm gonna put in here some pineapple tidbits, also from Trader Joe's. That's a lot. That's good. I'm gonna do a handful of kale. And a handful of spinach. And I'm gonna put some almond milk in here. This is just the original. It's not flavored. Turn it on. You know what I'm missing? Banana. Banana or apple. So I forgot that, but it's still good. So I'm gonna eat this until dinner time, and I'll show you guys what I'm making for dinner once I get started on that. With making some Mexican rice, which has honestly been one of our favorite sides lately. It's pretty easy to make and it's very flavorful. So we're going to be eating this with some chicken and salad tonight for dinner. But this is basically how I prep the rice. I'm just going to let it come to a boil, and then I'm going to cover it on low heat for like 20 minutes. Eric's salsa's done. This is what it looks like. Oh, it looks like death. It's like, no, seriously though, it looks so spicy. I can like taste it already without.
Not bad.
We're gonna do a quick taste test on camera. He's already tasted it, but so here we go. Do you think this is too much?
You gotta get more. You gotta get like.
No. Oh.
Don't slice it. There's no spicy.
Actually, it's not that bad.
Just wait.
It's missing salt.
Needs more salt, right?
But it's good. This isn't bad, honey. I thought it was gonna be like unbearable. It's not bad with some tacos.
I think once it cools down,
Good job,
it'll
honey.
be a lot better.
It's good. Getting started on the chicken, and we're just doing some air fried chicken. I just marinated this with paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some salt, and a little bit of olive oil. So I'm gonna put this on in the air fryer. Alright, chicken is done. It looks so delicious. Alright, so for dinner, we're going to be having the air fried chicken. I'm gonna have a little side rice. And then I just made a salad with romaine lettuce, tomatoes, and this really interesting bread substitute that I want to share with you guys. It tastes really good. But, it's from Trader Joe's. And it's a cauliflower thin bread substitute. I kind of just use this as like a crouton substitute. Even though it's not as like hard as a crouton. So it doesn't give you that crunchy effect, but still a nice little addition to your salad. All right, so this is dinner. So delicious. And I'm also gonna have a pineapple juice from Trader Joe's because these are really good. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Amen. I don't know what happened with the rice, man. It's very mushy.
You need to take a rice cooking class.
Maybe I should just learn how to make Mexican rice in the rice cooker.
Yeah.
Because stovetop rice is hard. The first time I made it was so good. I don't know what happened this time. I made it a couple times. I probably made it like 4 times now.
This rice?
Yeah.
The first time was perfect.
The first time was bomb. I don't know what happened. This chicken is so good. Wow. This chicken is really good. We got an air fryer for Christmas, and this was our first time using it. It's life changing. I was trying really hard not to have dessert, but I figured since tomorrow I'm supposed to be working out and I ate pretty well today, I'm just gonna treat myself a little bit. I usually like to have dessert anyway because it's just kind of part of my routine, but this dessert today is a lot sweeter than usual. I'm having leftover tres leches. I'm not gonna eat this whole Tupperware. I'm probably gonna only have like this small piece over here. But my cousin brought tres leches cake for Christmas, and I didn't get a slice on Christmas Day, so I'm gonna try it now. Oh my gosh, this is so good. If you're not familiar with tres leches, it's a really like moist cake. It's really good. Babe, did you try this? It's delicious. I'm just gonna have this little small piece. Oh my gosh, I could easily eat this whole Tupperware, but I'm not gonna. Can't do it, Maria. You've had a great run today. So I'm done eating for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this, what I eat in a day. I'll definitely be filming more of these throughout the year because my goal is to continue to eat healthy, to continue to stay focused on my health goals. So wanted to share with you guys what I ate in a day. I hope you get some recipe ideas and some motivation to eat clean this year. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.